Better than baguette?
No.
So this is the epic conclusion of this Balabac expedition.
Ay, sir, pwede magtanong? Kanan, kanan lahat. Okay, salamat, salamat. So, te, mga 3 oras, te, ang kuan, ang Puerto Princesa.
Yes.
So, dito wala masyadong nagadaan kasi hindi pa kuan yung, anong tawag ito?
Lang po.
Siga Fox, pagkakagnawa, basta magsakit ko ani pagkahuman ba. Aigo Moto, sir, no? Aigo Moto.
Aigo Garage, sir.
Aigo Garage. Doon ang mga kuha nila, yung mga accessories ng motor at parts. So kahapon, na-disgrasya tayo, kaya pa-check tayo sa the best motorcycle shop in Puerto Princesa. Oo. Kaya nila ayusin kahit anong motor. Pati love life, no? Ayusin din nila. Oo. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Retro, 100% Retro Hostel. 600 per night na siya. So, kahapon, yesterday, dito sa Balabac, pagkaman, dere, muna itong giagi. Agi na ito ni dere, agi ta dere. Ay, wala, dere dahi. Harlan, sa dere dayo. Sa Hostel Cafe Moto. Good morning! So, it's already December 23. And we are leaving Puerto Princesa on our way to El Nido. Sir, thank you. Balik lang ko. So, nagsulan yun siya ang paso. Iwas yun sa akin. So, nag-ulan yun siya. Pero silang sumundang taon-taon. So, tuloy din ang paso. Pag sa Palawan, no? Pag Foggy morning when you wake up and the sun does not appear. Dili dapit ang pa Port Barton, Palawan, pero dito sa Taguig nito. So dire pa San Vicente, ay Rojas dai. Dire pa Rojas. Bus stop. Taytay. Morning. Natakaran diri sa El Nido after 2 years. Nabalik na ta. So nata diri karon sa mo ni siyang main highway sa El Nido. Kahapon ug mga past days before walay undang ulan. So karon na sun. So better na nakastorya na ko ang mga turista abot daw nila dire na postpone ilang mga activities. So morning signage Town Square 2 kilometro ug trail 2.3 kilometers. Ang mga turista. Oh my God, kakaghan og tour boats.
Doon na lang sila magkain sa iyo. Sabi pa, disiplina dali sila. Ano tayo dito ba yung sa akin? Ha? Ha? Saan po yung mga sales? Wala pang malaki-laki ng informasyon.
Ito na lang ako sa may...
Hello! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year!
Ah, bilik ka na. Ah.
Ganda ka ng star, you.
Nandiyan na yung katibabek.
The gang's all back! Yes!
You know, cannot imagine. Just now we met him and he said, have you seen someone else? I said, no. And you are coming. Can you imagine? Another selfie.
So, dirita sa Cedric Cristobar Calendaria. So, ginaluto din. Sir, Merry Christmas, sir. Greet pa ka una. Ma'am, Merry Christmas. Hello, sir. Merry Christmas. Advance and Happy New Year. Hello. So, second na ko nga Christmas there sa Big Falls. Oh, kaon ta karon. Yes. Oh, Merry Christmas. How was your day?
It's great.
Good. No
Yeah.
rain, just a little.
No. It's rain
So my friend here, Natasha,
from Germany.
going to eat tonight for
We're going to have free dinner tonight.
yes.
Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas.
Oh, it looks good.
Thank you.
That's the rosary that we.
No,
no.
I was wearing that the whole
Ah,
time.
okay, sorry.
No, that's
That's
my.
nice.
I got it from my communion.
Mm-hmm.
You know when you first get the bread.
Yes, yes,
That's
yes.
when I got it from my
I
grandfather.
lost mine.
Brutal.
Yeah, my grandfather gave me something like some similar to that.
Similar.
It was also gold.
Yeah,
I could have-
I love that one. I always wear
I
it.
could have sold it.
Only you sold it?
No, I could have, but I lost it. I could have sold it for
No, you could
Since-
have won it.
sold it and help my travel funds.
True.
True. Mm-hmm.
Best
Hi guys, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Where are you from, ma'am?
France.
Where in France?
Lyon.
But you're traveling together.
No, we met before Rogers.
I thought you were traveling
So we're
together.
solo travelers.
Ah, cool. Are you excited?
Very excited. And they're playing ABBA. I love ABBA.
Here we go again. Sir, Merry Christmas.
Happy baby.
Buffalo soldier in the heart of America, stolen from Africa.
Hey, ma'am, this is ma'am.
Bukana. Dire daw. Dire ang kabukana. Beach ko. So, murag padulong Dayapila Beach o Fisherman's Cottage Village, rough roads. See. As you can see, tanawa ang Google Maps, so wala na dalan dire. Wala pa sila kabuhatog. Route padulong diri nga area. Community diri. So, maayong buntag, good morning. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This is Dayapila. Naunta dito ang Liburo Point pero ingon nila pangit kay dalan. Dili siya advisable nga mobiyahe lang ikaw lang isa. Tangingiban pala ang barangay. Tasad sitio lang ang Dayapila. So Tangingiban, Dalas Barangay, and Dalas Sitio is Dayapila. Ingon nila makaya daw og motor sa ka. Istingan nato. So, medyo lisod ang daan. Sa giingon ni Manoy ug ni Ante, medyo lisod-lisod siya. Sumuo na gyud yung pinaka-tip si Plaso Liburo Point pero sirado siya part. So hopefully maka naugtag safe. So lisod kayo ang dalan pasaka. Ang panaog kablok mo mas lisod pa gyud. So tara, let's go. So gikan tag Dapilaya and then isulod ta diri sa naay corner lang pa, right corner gikag Dapilaya, and natay na discover nga murag abandon nga resort. So, ano siya? Wala ko kablo kung asa na siya dapit ng barangay, pero sulod lang ako ang katong kuan dito. May dalan man nga pasulod rin. Curious lang ko. Ano siya abandonado nga resort. Itong sulod. Wala tawo pero may mga cottages na. Murag Duli Beach na isa dito. Oh. Murag Duli Beach na ang nalito sunahan. So you can see abandonado na siya, na siya cottages, na ay bar pa, na ay CR dito. Kaya siya dire obvious kayo nga butangan na tent para mag-overnight. Wala ta kabulon sa reason nga nung sirado ning resort dire. Gwapo man ang tag spot, surfing spot ni ba. Another the beach. So dire pwede na mo makita ang mga islands na pwede na to i-explore kung natay kayak. Ay 1, ay 2, ay katulo. Doon na panahon pero layo siguro ito ba. So, naay karinderya dire and overlooking siya. Karinderya with a great view. Ipagot na to atong magbuot ra sa gamay. Kailan to na-discover tong cave, sir?
Ang ilang discovered noong 1960. No? Tapos nagsagawa sila ng mga hukay dito sa ating cave noong 1998. Hanggang sa ngayon every year, pupunta sila dito para paghukayan natin yung itong lapit po ng ating cave. Sa lawa yung mga yung mga pugad.
Ito silang gumagawa ng yung parang ginagamit ng bird's nest soap.
Oh, parang ganun din. Kahawig po siya diyan, pero yung hugis, no, pero medyo may pagkakaiba kasi kulay puti. Oh, diamond, no. Pero pagdating ng mga ulan yan, mababasa, mawala na rin yan. Kasi depende po sa mga natin, sa mga bato na dinadaanan po ng tubig na mayroong mga...
Ilang meter sir? Galing doon?
60 meters lang po siyan, sir.
60?
60?
68? 60?
Yes. Oh.
Turista ngayon sir.
Meron din. Ay, ito sure yung tinatawag natin yung giant claws to, no? Isang ori po ng mga rock formation na matagal ng panahon, no? Pag simula dyan hanggang pag ganyan yan.
Palatag perpare.
Batang rock formation. Ang tawag natin is plata drapery.
Plata perpare.
Flat drapery.
Okay.
Ito naman isang formation na para po siyang ship. No? Sa picture niya, parang ito yung mata niya, ilong at saka katawan.
Saan sir?
Itong kan ito. Picture mo ito lahat para pupunta dito.
Oo.
Dito. Yan, para siyang sa mga bato. Sa sobrang tigas na
Parang halo ang mundo mo.
Yan.
Hollow Earth.
Yan naman yung labasan, yung mga kakahuyan. Yan, ito po yung
600 meters. Pwede na ito mapasulod ang motor. Nya. Adjourn.
Another one for mother. Yes, welcome.
Ando Beach. See the difference between island tours here and Balabac. This place is stacked. Look at all of these tourists. Para sa ano yan, sir?
Para sa alon.
Para sa alon. Pwede na. kog barko. So we are here at Sumiso Island. Pagkadaghan ng turista. Island, Sumiso pala. So, para mga barko sa Torres. This is going to the not so secret lagoon, and would you look at the queue? It's a here we go!
Baka ba start na? Last two.
Expectation versus reality.
Ben. Diyan na lang sa bata niyo.
Today I'm in a little village near there. It's called Heavy Laden.
The Big Lagoon. Daghan kayong turista. Pero clear kayong water. Rainbow. So today is the last day of 2024. So take a look at the last day of 2024. We'll be spending our first New Year's Eve here in Nido, Palawan. Trying to battle her way out of this mess.
For the sound I will make tomorrow morning, I will try to be super okay. Sorry, and this is my Indonesian and Philippines love, bang bang. You know bang bang?
Protein bar or
It's
hiking?
it's a chocolate bar made out of crunchy, crispy waffle. I think it's made out of rice.
Is it that good?
So good.
Out of 10.
No, 8.
8?
No, 7. But you don't have so many choice here in the Philippines. I was already in Indonesia for chocolate bar, and this one is really good.
Better than baguette?
No.
we found money on top of the
Oh,
cabinet.
I found something now.
Look, euros! Money. And identification card. These people must be rich, leaving all their money here. What is your name again? I forgot, sorry.
Alessandra.
Alessandra.
And
Yes.
you?
Jerry.
Jerry.
good morning, good morning. Natakaroon diri sa Taytay. We are here in Taytay and we are visiting 15th or 16th century Spanish fortress. Let's go. Utang Santa Isabela Taytay. 16th century lagi, 1667. American colonial rule. Spirit of nationalism, life in the fort, building the island fortress. Kingdom of Taytay. Canyon dako. Siya murag church good ay lalo na pag nagkalaw. Taytay. This is San Vicente's view deck. So as you can see, nalandong siya gamay. Sa isa pa ka viewpoint. love Palawan. Back to Puerto Princesa, the city of the living God. Hopefully, tomorrow natin masakyan yung barko pa Iloilo. Journey economy. Disgrasya.
OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. Watch me walk away, putting myself on display. 1, 2, 3 a day. I'm on my way, on my way. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond afterglow. I know you wanna take me home. I'm on my way, on my way. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. On my way, on my way. They wanna judge me, I'll testify. Catch me on Insta, I'm verified. They want me quiet, I amplify. I'm on my way to the best thing that you've ever seen. You know that you bow to the queen. You lose all your senses and reason. I'll give you something to believe. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. On my way, on my way. Yeah. OMW, nothing left to prove. So enjoy the view, taking a picture like Malibu. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond afterglow. I know you wanna take me home. I'm on my way, on my way. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. On my way, on my way.
Oh, kuya lagi yun. Ha?